In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Genspark subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to confirm that your subscription is fully canceled. First, open Genspark and sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the same login method you originally used to create the account, whether that's an email and password or a single sign-on option. If you have multiple accounts, double check you're in the one with the active subscription to avoid canceling the wrong plan. Next, head to your account or billing settings. You'll typically find this by clicking your profile picture or avatar in the top corner, then selecting something like Account, Settings, or Billing. The exact label can vary, but you're looking for a place where your personal details and payment information are managed. Once you're in Settings, locate the Subscription or Plan section. It may be labeled Subscription, Plan, Billing, or Membership. This section is where you can view your current plan, see your renewal date, and access options to make changes. From there, choose the option to manage or cancel your subscription. Look for buttons or links that say Manage, Change Plan, or Cancel. If there's a Manage button, click it to reveal additional options, including cancellation. Take a moment to review any plan details shown, such as your next billing date, so you know how cancellation will affect your access. Now, follow the cancellation prompts on screen. You may be asked to confirm a few details or select a reason for canceling. Read each page carefully because Genspark may outline what features you'll lose and when your access will end. Proceed through each prompt until you reach the final confirmation screen. When you're ready, confirm the cancellation request. This usually involves clicking a Confirm, Cancel Subscription, or Finish button. Wait for the page to process before navigating away to ensure the request is submitted properly. If the page seems to stall, give it a moment and then try again. Finally, check for a confirmation message or email. You should see an on-screen confirmation right away, and a follow-up email should arrive shortly after. Save that email for your records and consider taking a quick screenshot of the on-screen confirmation as a backup. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. That's it. You've opened Genspark, gone to your account or billing settings, found your subscription, managed or canceled it, followed the prompts, confirmed and verified the confirmation message or email. You're all set.